All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 4 mini winners for my MVP winner's choice. So we'll check the time July 17th at 1:14 p.m. Going to go over to the mini and type live. We've got July 17th at 1:14 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 4 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ryan, Joe, and Ryan. Whoa, goodness. So, Ryan, you'll get the first, is it 11? I think you get 11 for the first 2 spots. 7 and 4, yeah, so you get 11. So go over to the main and pick your spots. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 17th, 1:15 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.